Welcome back, guys. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, before you start diving into your weekend, let's start talking about the Bitcoin options that will expire. Let's start talking about the Bitcoin spot ETF deadlines, and let's also talk about the price actions at the current moment, what we expect for Bitcoin next. So let's start off with this one news, guys, where we have big 3.2 billion Bitcoin options that will expire today. We have 118,000 Bitcoin options contracts, and this could give Bitcoin very bullish momentum, guys. Why? Let me explain it with this one. We have a put call ratio of 0.58, and this is very good. We have more call options, 2/3, than put options, which is 1/3 of the whole bar. So therefore, more people are speculating on rising prices than decreasing in price of Bitcoin. I'm very excited what will happen in the end, but if the Bitcoin options expire and they are true, guys, this could really give Bitcoin some bullish vibes. Let's talk about the Bitcoin spot ETFs. First of all, we are very excited for the BlackRock Bitcoin spot ETF, but this time also the second deadline got delayed. And this is very miserable for the Bitcoin price. As you know, when we heard about the BlackRock when BlackRock filed for the Bitcoin spot ETF, Bitcoin price went upwards. And right now, when they got delayed, guys, things are getting uncertain. And also, we have several other companies that got declined and also delayed. Valkyrie, Invesco, Galaxy, Bitwise, and yes, some other 21 shares and ARK, Grayscale as well. And if we look at the Bitcoin fund holdings, with fund holdings is meant when we have the digital asset holdings, for example, GBTC, this is the trust of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, or we have several other guys from the other companies like Valkyrie, Bitcoin, from iShares, etc. iShares is the company of BlackRock, guys. So let's have a look at this chart, guys. With this chart, you can see the exact price movement of Bitcoin when we heard that BlackRock have filed for Bitcoin spot ETFs. As you can see here, the fund holdings rised immense, and also the price of Bitcoin. But as things are getting uncertain, or the uncertainty of acceptance of Bitcoin ETF requests, people are trying to get rid of their fund holdings, and we see a mass sell-off event, and also the price of Bitcoin follows this move. Therefore, I hope that the Bitcoin spot ETF deadlines will get approved as soon as possible. This could really give Bitcoin some bullish vibes too. And what about Bitcoin price action right now? We have this scenario, we talked about it. Right now, guys, I'm very proud of the Bitcoin bulls because we made it and we flipped the falling trendline resistance into support. I hope the support will hold. As we talked about it yesterday, if Bitcoin only pumps by 13% from here on, it was, about 13%. When we break out from here and pump 13%, guys, we are back at 30k. This could give Bitcoin really bullish vibes, and we have our psychological zone of 30k back, guys. And then it is no longer a resistance zone, it's a support zone for us. And then we are ready for 32k, 35k, 40k. We can also aim for bigger numbers, guys. Let's have a look when we talk about bigger numbers about let's talk also about this bigger time frame, guys. We are in the weekly, this was the daily time frame. In the weekly time frame, we have our 6-year support. Since 2017, this rising trend line is supporting the price of Bitcoin. We have our 200 weekly moving average, which was the bottom area, or we got our bottom in 2018, 2019, 2020, but 2023 our bottom, or we got the bottom in on the rising trend line, not on the 200 weekly moving average. The 200 weekly moving average is a huge resistance point and also a support point as well. But right now we have huge resistance on 27,900 US dollar level, and this is our 200 weekly moving average. I hope that Bitcoin will flip this resistance as soon as possible into support, so we can climb for the bigger numbers and also for the next upcoming price targets. As I said, 30k, 32k. These are all very, very important to lift Bitcoin up. So this was it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this content. If it is the case, don't forget to leave the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it if you can also leave a comment down below in the comment section, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.